In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Australian dollars. It's moving higher today. Australian dollar coming off of some sideways price action yesterday to move higher today by better than 0.5% currently at the 0.665 level. And that's the top end of the range here for the last week as it continues to recover from some selling pressure late last week. And when you look at the driving factors today, one of the primary drivers appears to be the Reserve Bank of Australia announcement early in the session. We did get a rate announcement from the RBA, and they held rates steady, which was widely expected. But the message and the tone of the discussions afterwards were viewed as hawkish, and they did indicate that they would not hesitate to raise rates should they feel the need if inflation doesn't continue to maintain its downward trajectory. And they feel that that could flare up again. And so that's being priced into the market, at least here for the short term. And it's helping to support the Australian dollar relative to other FX markets today, as it's showing some significant relative strength. But when you look at it relative to the euro, the British pound, and the Japanese yen. Now, looking at the general trends, Australian dollar has been trading in a pretty tight range over the last 6 weeks. Basically 66 on the low end and 67 on the top end here. So we've been bouncing back and forth between that level the last month and a half or so. And here we are now moving back up towards the upper middle of that level once again today. And also, when you look at it relative to the other major FX markets, as I pointed out, some sideways price action across the board. As the markets are really waiting to see, I think later this week we have other central bank activity and rate announcements, and that could influence the certainly the price action. And also today, retail sales here in the U.S. a little weaker than anticipated, so that's helping, I think, also support the Australian dollar in today's price action.